so today I got to document my uncle making soy milk. He makes soy milk for a living here in Thailand, and so I was able to kind of film and document how he makes soy milk here and the versions he makes and how he makes it, and he was able to kind of show me how to do it and show me how he does it. And I also was able to film him selling it at his stall. So I already have the plain soy milk version. It's just plain soy milk with a little bit of sugar. I like it just plain as it is, but he likes to add a little bit of sugar so you can actually taste the soy milk. And there's also one with tofu, like a silken tofu with ginger, like a ginger tea in there as well, ginger tamarind tea. And then he also has one, I think that's it. Yeah, like 5 flavors. So ginger, this one is green tea flavor. I thought it was pandan, but he says green tea. And this one is a black sesame seed flavor. So I'm gonna try this. Black sesame seed and green tea flavor. So it's super cool. And his soy milk, I already had the plain soy milk one. It's great. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I can drink 5 cups of that. But other than that, I wanted to try these two. So let's go try it.
Hỗ trợ tôi vô thọ cá nó thì lúc có mấy trăm mét trên nên nó rất là mạnh, mấy thành bao thì như buộc thì mình chỉ như chó cua một cái thế thôi đấy. Cái món này rủi mò.如果我哋做mò này cái giờ rủi tỏi một chút. Tán nữa là như chuyện nhịn nhịn ha, nhịn nhịn lên nó thì có lâu ít kho lên nó thì cũng làm một lý còn gì còn thầu cái có hồi sau cũng nhá rồi.
Cái này mình trong còn được cũng nha. Rồi con mà con muốn chơi là tự lấy từ con mình cứ xứ rồi cho những cái thằng mình cái cây rong cười ở đây con cái nào sao hả kêu?
Của thay ông này ô.
ที่โจกูเจอ
Molendo.
Apple reddish brown radical.
อ้าวเขาลึกของวะเนี่ย
1 kg thì有ต้นnàng sau lù thì有个老完了，越长，我炒个炒高。20 บาทเอาปลาทุกโตเหลือแค่ลูกเดียวอ่ะ5 บาทก็เต่าเนาะเจ้าเข้าผมไม่รู้เข้าแล้ว我练，我拿来看。烤到这，温刀。你那我抓到啊，你那个红刀，你嘛每路干到那种咯。你那才叫我人啊。mắt cọc cũng sẽ còn nên đó có thể nhặt đâuถ้าmìnhคนฉีดเผาอ่ะจะได้ใช้ตาในตา
ไม่มั่วให้อ่ะ
มั่วโย่แล้วจะมาถ้าmìnhจะเอาเนี่ยถ้าmìnhจะเผาแล้วเผาเลยจะเข้าไล่อยู่ก่อนเท่าไหร่เนี่ย
It's so good. It's like super fresh. 진영 딱 된 거 봐. 맛있다. 타이 비디오.